Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing one of the most powerful and best-selling heavy-duty sewing machines on Amazon, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 high-speed sewing machine. If you're someone who works with thick fabrics, denim, canvas, multi-layer materials, or you run a small tailoring or DIY business, this machine is made exactly for you. Taking a short pause, let's jump right in. 1. Build quality and frame. The 4452 features a full metal interior frame, meaning zero wobble, long-term durability, and stable stitches even at high speeds. It's built like a tank compared to ordinary lightweight sewing machines. 2. High-speed performance. This beast delivers 1,100 stitches per minute, nearly double the speed of most standard models. Ideal for batch production, boutique tailoring, alterations, and bulk projects. 3. Stronger motor with enhanced piercing power. 60% stronger motor than regular home sewing machines. Easily handles denim, canvas, thick seams, quilts, leather patches, upholstery fabrics, and multi-layer stitching. 4. 110 stitch applications. Utility, stretch, decorative, satin stitches, buttonhole, and specialty options. Great for tailoring, fashion students, DIY creators, interior decor projects, and professional sewing workflow. 5. One-step automatic buttonhole. Consistent, precise buttonholes every time, super helpful for shirts, kurtas, trousers, dresses, uniforms, and children's wear. 6. Included heavy-duty accessory kit. Even feed/walking foot. Non-stick foot. Clearance plate for thick seams. Heavy-duty needles. Plus standard presser feet. These accessories alone make the machine extremely versatile. 7. Drop-in bobbin plus LED work light. Transparent bobbin cover to monitor thread use. LED lighting brightens the stitching area for dark fabrics and nighttime work. Pause to let all this settle. 8. Real-world performance. Smooth, powerful, stable stitching at high speeds. Consistent tension. Minimal vibration due to full metal design. 9. Should you buy it? For beginners it's powerful but still easy to learn. For home tailoring perfect. For small commercial tailoring excellent. For crafting, quilting, upholstery projects one of the best in its price segment. For heavy-duty industrial work great entry-level choice. If you want me to review this machine personally, drop a comment. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for the Amazon purchase link. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing one of the most powerful and best-selling heavy-duty sewing machines on Amazon, the Singer Heavy Duty